What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because in my opinion this coin right now is really undervalued, and also we have here really interesting opportunities to open some trading positions. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely I highly recommend you to watch this video till the end. First of all, let's start today's analysis on a daily time frame. If we take a look on this higher time frame, you can see that we are right now down from the current all-time high around like 87%, which is quite a lot for a coin in the top 10 market cap. Also, from this high to this low, we are right now down around like 56%. So in my opinion, we are really undervalued. Also, the RSI you can see is on the level like 15.39. So if certain conditions are met, I'm watching here several interesting trading opportunities to open a long positions. In this video, I will be describing only potential long trades because let's say if we take a look on the current situation, it's making, in my opinion, like absolutely 0 points to open some short trades, for example on the higher time frame. Of course, if you are trading like 30 or like 15 minutes time frame, then yeah, definitely there are some short opportunities. But me personally, I think that the best positions that can be right now open on Cardano are the long ones. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. The first trade that I will show you today is on the 4-hour chart. Here you can see that we took absolutely perfectly liquidity under this bullish order block, which is between level 0.377 and 0.372. About this order block, I also informed you in my last Cardano analysis, so congratulations to everybody who took this trade after that liquidity grab and support confirmation. Me personally, I took a similar position on a different altcoin, so I didn't take this exact trade on Cardano, but I take different trade on ARB, which I explained in my previous YouTube analysis. So yeah, again, congratulations to everybody who took this move. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trade, so if you want to know about the exact time, about the exact entry, about exact stop loss, take profit targets, etc., I have also my private Discord group where I am sharing this. So if you are interested in more information, you can find it on my public Discord group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And today is actually one of the last days that you can use 20% discount on my VIP membership. And this is the biggest discount that I'm doing in like a whole year. So if you are interested in that, this is the best time. But let's now get back to a 4-hour time frame. As I said, we perfectly took a liquidity there. So if you open some long position here after its support confirmation, then your position probably looked like something like this. Stop loss in this case, of course, under the low that we created during the fake out, and the last take profit target should be probably like under this bearish order block, which is giving you potential risk reward ratio like 5.4. Also in this case, now it's definitely time to take at least some of the profits and move, for example, your stop loss to break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. But in my opinion, right now there is actually a pretty high probability that we are gonna test this bearish order block. And so right now we are getting into a main question, which is like, is it a good idea to open a long position right now? Well, the main thing that you need to, let's say, look is a risk reward ratio, because if you will enter a long position on Cardano right now, the potential risk to reward is like 3.0, and this is the risk reward ratio if we take only one take profit target. As I said, in my opinion, there is pretty high probability that we are gonna take the liquidity in this bearish order block before we will dump like under this current low. So from this perspective, yeah, it's making sense to take trade with risk reward ratio 3.0. But if we will take like multiple take profit targets, then we are getting to risk reward ratio like 1.5, 1.8, something like that, which is actually like not that great. So yeah, you just need to think if like risk reward reward ratio like 1.5 or like 3 is like good enough for you? And if yes, this can also be like a good opportunity because the potential stop loss is like 8.7%. And if you, for example, want to have better risk reward ratio, you can place it under a second bearish order block, which is between level 0.684 and 0.670, which is again really good setup. And in this case, it will give you risk reward ratio up to 8.1. The 4-hour chart is actually the main setup that I'm currently watching, but if we, for example, take a look on a weekly time frame, you can see that right now we are testing really important support area, which is, let's say, somewhere between level 0.408 and 0.356, something like that. And you can see that here it was like an important resistance, here it was important support, here important resistance, and right now it probably will be an important support. And also we took like a liquidity under this support area. So if you are thinking about making some long-term long position, like on a spot without leverage, then I think that right now this can be really amazing opportunity, because the potential upside, if we are, for example, get to a $1 mark, which I think is definitely possible in the upcoming bull market, then this is like a move up around like 160%. And if we, let's say, get to my main take profit target, which I think is definitely possible in the upcoming bull market, this target is like $1.7, $1.8, then this can be a profit around like 373% of the net market. And yeah, if we compare like basic risk reward ratio, which means that we are counting with like 100% loss, which I think is highly unlikely, then we still have risk reward ratio like 3.7, and that's in my opinion absolutely amazing. So if you are, for example, looking for some interesting spot opportunity, then yeah, I think this is definitely a great idea.